Hello guys, Morphins. This is an update on my 55 gallon that's in my room. As of now, as you see, it's not clean in there. It needs to be clean. The turtles got removed. Well, Mini-Man got removed as he was growing. Yeah, the filter I just turned off last night. Had to get a new filter due to this filter right here is very old. But as you can see, this is what it looks like now. I mean, looks a little trashy, but other than that, I mean, it's alright. But really, what this video is about is my albino blood parrot cichlid. And that is her right there. Her or he. I do not know the sex yet. But it's very beautiful. She used to be white, a platinum white, very beautiful. Now she's an orange. She's branching into her orange phase. Orange. She was like orange, pinkish, and white. I got good videos on her. I'll try to put them on YouTube. But I noticed there's not really a lot of videos of the albino blood parrot cichlid. You know, they're extremely rare. Where I got her from Predatory Fins. And yeah, this tank was honestly specialized just for her. Well, honestly, her or he. But what the goal is, I would like to maybe create a beautiful, unique version of a blood parrot, maybe like an albino crystal parrot, if that's even possible. But that's something I would like to do. But that's her though. These are your regular blood parrots, like this one. That is a mix of a blood parrot and a pink convict. So is this one. They're both family members. Just this is ED right here. They're like a pairing couple in a way, but eggs haven't been fertile. But what my goal is to move all these fish right here back to the pond, which they'll probably thrive better. Be more better and lead this tank for the albino and a couple of blue Texas cichlids that I'm gonna get. But that is the albino. She is very beautiful. Look at her. Even that's the pink orange right now. Like check it out. Such a beautiful fish. Well, yeah. This is an albino blood parrot cichlid, and they're very beautiful, honestly. Like very beautiful. Look at them. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Or whatever, dada.